Hey Danny, hey, welcome to my vlog. You're catching me kind of in the middle of this time. Wife was moving furniture around and she dropped her DVD player. Well, it popped partially open and she plugged it in, couldn't get it to go back in. So she asked me to take a look at it. And this is what happened, is when it dropped, the DVD got popped out of its holster here and got locked in between the tray and the back, and couldn't get it to come in or out. So what I found is all I had to do was I took the cover off. Was it 5 screws around the outside, and this is what you're gonna find. And the DVD got in here blocking it. So what I did is all I do is lift it up out of the back here, click undo, and this thing grabbed it. Just pop it out. And then what happened is when she went to try to close it, it jumped the tracks inside here. So the easiest way to do it, I found, was just to go ahead and push it back in. You'll hear it click, 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 and jump over the teeth inside the motor there. Because the tray should slide in and out just like that. Now right here's your little motor right here. There's your little motor right here. See, it's got a little rubber band. Goes around the motor. Well, when she went to push it back in, it wouldn't go in. It was caught. So I just grabbed it and I shoved it back. See the little motor right here. There's the teeth. There's the teeth of the gear right there. So as long as it's, and it just locked again. Okay, she's locked in place now. All right, let's get the cover back on. All it is 5 screws. It's the back, this is the front. Close down. Now, before we do that real quick, plug it back in. Let me plug it in real quick. You can see how this thing works. If this is the first time you're watching this, I'm Dana, and I'm always tinkering with something. So I already redid it. You just caught me in the middle. There's your on, same button. There you go. Tray. Button closed. There you go. Okay, sounds good. Let's go ahead and put my 11 Otis back in here. She didn't realize there was a DVD in here. There you go. And that's what happens when you're looking inside a DVD. There's all your little transistors, and as you can see, it's playing. Just a quick fix. Yep, there you go. I'll leave that in there. Okay. And stop. There's your load. Loading. Stop. It's just gonna keep running, I think, until you stop it, open it, and drop it out. There you go. Okay. All right. There you go. So that's what happens if you drop your DVD player. Hopefully you don't have a DVD in it. I don't think it would have had a problem had there hadn't been one in it. But there was. Alright, let's get the cover back on. Okay, 3 sets of screws here. One's without the wide heads go in the back. Put everything back together the same way you took it apart. It's that simple. Micro screws. Oh, darn you. Where's my gun? All the way on drill, dude. Okay, that was definitely that one there. He's got little wider heads on him. Okay. And the really wide ones. Pay $100. Pay $100 for it. We're not going to want to buy another one. Especially with something as simple as that. I looked in there, I couldn't see. I couldn't see if there was a DVD in there or not. Well, because it popped in the back. And then it wouldn't close. So this way, just take the cover off of it and look in there. Just make sure it's unplugged when you do anything like that. Okay. Alright, should be happy. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next.